Welcome to our exploration of a pressing question. Are renewable energy subsidies just another corporate scam? In this video, we'll unearth the true purpose of these subsidies, identifying who really benefits from them and examining the hidden influences of lobbying. We'll also discuss whether these financial supports distort the market, analyze their environmental impact, and evaluate the transparency and accountability of subsidy programs. Join us as we unravel the complex interplay between renewable energy subsidies and corporate interests. 1. The purpose of renewable energy subsidies. Renewable energy subsidies are designed to support the development and deployment of clean energy technologies. They aim to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, promote energy independence, and stimulate economic growth. By providing financial assistance to renewable energy projects, governments hope to make green energy more competitive with fossil fuels. This can include tax credits, grants, or low-interest loans. However, it's essential to question whether these subsidies are achieving their intended goals. Are they genuinely fostering innovation and reducing carbon emissions, or are they simply benefiting large corporations? This is a critical point of discussion in the renewable energy debate, as the stakes are high for both the environment and the economy. 2. Who benefits the most? One concern about renewable energy subsidies is that they often disproportionately benefit large corporations. These companies have the resources and expertise to navigate complex subsidy programs, leaving smaller businesses and startups at a disadvantage. In some cases, large corporations may even receive subsidies for projects they would have undertaken anyway, effectively turning these subsidies into a form of corporate welfare. Critics argue that this undermines the original intent of the subsidies, which is to promote innovation and competition in the renewable energy sector. Instead of fostering a diverse and competitive market, subsidies may be consolidating power in the hands of a few large players. This raises questions about the long-term sustainability and fairness of the renewable energy industry. 3. The role of lobbying and influence. Lobbying plays a significant role in shaping renewable energy subsidy policies. Large corporations have the resources to influence policymakers and secure favorable terms for their projects. This can result in subsidies that prioritize the interests of big businesses over the needs of smaller companies or the environment. For example, some subsidies may be tailored to specific technologies or projects that benefit certain corporations, rather than promoting the most efficient or innovative solutions. This can stifle competition and innovation, ultimately hindering the growth of the renewable energy sector. 4. Are subsidies distorting the market? Another concern is that renewable energy subsidies may distort the market, leading to inefficiencies and unintended consequences. By artificially lowering the cost of renewable energy, subsidies can create an uneven playing field for other energy sources, including those that may be more environmentally friendly or cost-effective in the long run. Moreover, subsidies can encourage overinvestment in certain technologies, leading to a glut of capacity and wasted resources. This can ultimately drive up costs for consumers and taxpayers, who may be left footing the bill for poorly planned projects. 5. The environmental impact of subsidies. While renewable energy subsidies are intended to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, their environmental impact is not always clear-cut. Some subsidies may inadvertently promote environmentally harmful practices, such as deforestation or habitat destruction, in the pursuit of renewable energy projects. Additionally, the focus on specific technologies or projects can divert resources away from other, potentially more effective, solutions. This can limit the overall effectiveness of renewable energy subsidies in addressing climate change and promoting a sustainable energy future. 6. Transparency and accountability in subsidy programs. To ensure that renewable energy subsidies achieve their intended goals, transparency and accountability are crucial. This means monitoring and evaluating the effectiveness of subsidy programs and ensuring that funds are allocated to projects that genuinely promote innovation and reduce emissions. Governments should also prioritize open and transparent processes for awarding subsidies, to prevent favoritism and ensure that funds are distributed fairly. By holding corporations accountable for their use of subsidies, policymakers can help ensure that these programs truly benefit the environment and the economy. 7. Balancing subsidies with other incentives. While subsidies play a crucial role in promoting renewable energy, they should be balanced with other incentives to encourage innovation and competition. This can include measures such as carbon pricing, which internalizes the environmental costs of fossil fuels and levels the playing field for renewable energy sources. By combining subsidies with other policy tools, governments can create a more comprehensive and effective approach to promoting renewable energy and reducing emissions. This can help ensure that subsidies achieve their intended goals and support a sustainable energy future.